Hi, it's Todd, and I hope you've been able to grab at least one of the upgrades thus far. Each one will be extremely helpful in making sure that you have the greatest opportunity for success with VideoLeadsMachine. Now, there is one last addition that I want to share with you that I believe is the greatest addition of them all and goes hand in hand with your AuthorityVids to help you convert leads like crazy. How would you like to be able to create unlimited lead landing pages easily, to put your AuthorityVids right on and easily position yourself or another business as the marketplace leader? And let me tell you right now, this is not your normal lead capture page creator. It's an entire system. Our lead capture system has all the features, all the bells, and all the whistles that you could possibly need, and it's drag and drop easy to create and edit professional lead capture landing pages for any niche that you want. And this replaces having to deal with WordPress or any other page builder and completely streamlines the lead capture page design and build process. Now, each and every one of you has the ability already to create at least 5 AuthorityVids, or even more if you've decided to upgrade the number that you can create. Now you'll be able to place those videos on a landing page built for just one thing and one thing alone, to convert leads into customers like crazy. And if you have other videos that you want to use with these landing pages, you could do that too. It's not restricted to just the AuthorityVids in VideoLeadsMachine. Let's take a quick behind-the-scenes peek into this extremely powerful leads capture page generator with David, so that you can see exactly why this could be the thing that takes you to another level altogether. And keep in mind, you'll be able to create an unlimited number of these pages with this special offer.
We're so excited to be showing you how you can quickly generate leads 24/7 with our video lead pages. These video lead pages are beautiful, where you can put your authority video in here and you've got an easy way for people to opt in and generate leads. But it's an entire landing page that's designed to convert, and you can completely customize it. And let me show you real quick. Let's actually create one. And we're just not going to give you these pages, unlimited pages you can use to capture leads, but we're going to do all the copywriting for you by simply you just filling out 5 simple questions. So for example, you just put in your topic, and let's say this is social media. What are your takeaways? 3 secrets. What is the viewer's #1 result? They want to get more appointments. Then we put our authority video right here, and we select a great layout just like this and click finish. And literally there it is, all done. So let me hide the controls. You can see here, discover new insights in social media, help you grow your business. Go behind the scenes and learn from leading experts on social media to get more client appointments. Want to learn more? 3 secrets and help you become successful with social media. Now you can open this up, and there's so many amazing features. You can open up testimonial blocks and portfolio blocks and more call to actions, more benefit statements. And if you can type in a Word doc, you can create this. So click here to learn more. If you want to put here, click here to get access. So everything is easily customizable, and there's even some hidden amazing call to actions in here. For instance, you can create limited spots, turn that on, and that means you have a whole module in here that says, look, we're only going to open this up for the next 5 people. And so there's an entire countdown timer that creates scarcity for your offer. So all this plus so much more, and it looks absolutely gorgeous on mobile devices. So you can see here, we built all this for you to start generating leads on autopilot. But even more than that, you have an entire dashboard where you can split test your pages. You have an entire funnel where you can do confirmation emails all on autopilot, and everyone that opts in, every lead you can put on an autoresponder. You can retarget them, and there's thank you pages. It is a full funnel built inside with video lead pages. So we're so excited for you to have this to start generating leads 24/7 while you sleep.
I told you it was above and beyond just landing pages, right? Wow. Think about how easy it will be to create unlimited lead capture page systems for yourself or your clients now. And think about how impressed your clients will be that you could build something like this for them, really to boost their conversion sky high. I mean, that's just tremendous. You can see how powerful this addition is in combination with the AuthorityVids videos, working to constantly convert traffic into hot leads ready to invest what you and your clients have to offer. Now, once again, this upgrade not necessary to get results with what you already have with VideoLeadsMachine, but it is an amazing shortcut, an addition that will make things so much easier for you. And the fact that it's point and click streamlined and built specifically for lead capture makes it even better. There's one goal with this unlimited lead capture page system: to convert, convert, convert. Now, since the hosting of your pages is included, all server updates and maintenance is included, and the number of pages you can create is unlimited, we do have to ask for a yearly investment. But ladies and gentlemen, for what you're getting, this is really a steal. And you could pay for 1 year, cancel at any time, and still capitalize on what this lead capture page system can do for you for the remainder of the year. It's perfect to use with VideoLeadsMachine, and the fact that it is unlimited makes this really a no-brainer addition. Grab that unlimited lead landing page system right now.